Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use Jotform Inbox. This is a powerful feature that lets you manage, organize, and respond to all your form submissions in one central location, making it much easier to stay on top of your workflow. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, go to jotform.com in your web browser and log in using your credentials. Once you're logged in, you'll be taken to your Jotform dashboard where you can access all your forms and their submissions. In the upper left of the page, click My Workspace, then select My Forms from the drop-down menu. This will bring up a view of all the forms you've created or have access to. Here's where you can manage everything related to your forms, from editing them to viewing their submissions. Now look for the specific form you want to manage and click Inbox on the right side of the form tile. This is the gateway to viewing and organizing all the submissions that have come through that particular form. Since I don't have any inbox yet, I will show you the next steps so you know what to expect when you have submissions coming in. When you first access the inbox, you might be prompted to open it. If you see this prompt, select Open Inbox to view submissions. This will take you into the main inbox interface where all your form responses are collected and displayed in an organized list. Once you're in, scroll through the list of submissions in the main inbox view. You'll see each submission listed with key details like the submission date and respondent information. This makes it easy to get a quick overview of all the responses you've received. To dive deeper into any submission, click on it to open its details. This expanded view shows you all the fields the person filled out, giving you complete insight into their response. It's particularly useful when you need to review or take action on specific submissions. One of the most helpful features here is the ability to organize submissions with tags. Click Add Tag to assign color-coded tags for sorting. This is perfect for categorizing submissions by status, priority, or any other system that works for your workflow. The color coding makes it visually easy to scan through and find what you need. If you need to leave notes or communicate with your team about a submission, click Add Comment below the submission. You can leave notes for yourself or tag teammates by typing their email address. This keeps all communication and context directly attached to the relevant submission, which is incredibly helpful for team collaboration. When you need to respond to the person who submitted the form, click Reply to email the submitter directly from the submission view. This streamlines your communication process since you don't have to leave Jotform or copy and paste email addresses elsewhere. Finally, if you need to share a specific submission with a teammate, click Forward to send the submission to your teammate's email. This is useful when different team members need to handle different types of submissions or when you need input from someone else on your team. And that's how you use Jotform Inbox to manage and respond to your form submissions efficiently. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.